Lung cancer kills more people each year in the United States than breast, colon, and prostate cancers combined. It's the deadliest cancer.
I thought to myself, oh, it's just a bit of sore throat, I'll be fine. I've never been that ill in my life.
Individuals who have a smoking history experience the toxic effects of stigma.
I did feel like it was my fault because I was the one that made the choice to smoke.
If you have lungs, you can get lung cancer.
To blame people, oh, you did it to yourself, that is something we just need to stop.
I think it's led to this villainization of people who've smoked.
It could happen to anybody. It should be part of screening like breast cancer.
If we can do screening at its earliest stages, we can increase the survival rate.
Chiquilla, tú de esto no te vas a morir. Sácate eso de la cabeza. Hasta el día de hoy me agarro de ella.
The quicker you get it diagnosed, the better the outcome really for you.
The innovations in care across the lung cancer care continuum give me tremendous hope.
Gotcha. I didn't think I was going to have any grandchildren. I do think about all that I would miss if I was gone.
Hola, mi amor. Me propuse cambiar mi vida, que valga la pena para mí y para la gente que quiero. En eso me enfoco todos los días.